Ladies and gentlemen, Madame de Messieurs, bienvenue à Las Vegas. Local time here is approximately 5 minutes to 2. Please keep your seatbelt fastened and carry on items stowed for just a little while longer as there is a chance for a quick turn or sudden stop. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, it will be safe for you to stand. And please use caution when opening the overhead bin. Some of your items may have moved around during the flight. You may now use your cell phone provided it is with you at your seats, and all your carry-on items remain stowed. And once in the airport, WESTJET agents are available to assist you and answer any questions you may have. And your baggage will be delivered approximately 20 minutes from the time you reach the carousel. We'd also like to remind you that smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas. On behalf of WESTJET and especially this employee crew, we'd like to thank you so much for flying with us today. Have a great stay in the Las Vegas area or wherever your final destination may be. Thank you very much and have a fantastic